Come test drive the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, trailering package, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, technology package, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.